Wala man lang bang po konting tampo or panghihinayang after everything you did, with, the high-profile arrest of former President Duterte, yung mga ganun pong nagawa nyo for the government, for the police force?
You know, yan talaga ang gusto ko ring sabihin, sinasabi ko sa aking mga tauhan. Masa policeman, mapasa mga private endeavors ko man, at sa iba pang mga trabaho na pinasukan ko at mga nasalihan ko. Yung pagtatrabaho kasi, yung personal feeling should be secondary or tertiary lang sa consideration ng pagtatrabaho, because nothing is personal. It's all about the job. It's all about the mission. Kahit na sa mga teams, kaya nga team eh. Pag sinabi ng presidente na dito kasi, pag sinabi ng coach na dito ka sa ngayon, kung sa basketball nga ang mga star player pwede maging sixth man eh. Pwedeng maging ang first five, wala ang star player eh. It could be a strategy, di ba? Sabi ko, so the president has all the leeway, and ang personal feelings there should not be a hindrance, and it should not be a factor at all.
Pero yung naging conflict before with Napolcom, ano pong feeling nyo about it? How do you view Napolcom now as supposed to be, syempre may duty rin din sila in terms of administrative functions over the police force, and
well, they
how do
should
you feel
I'm okay. I'm okay with them. Siguro naman nakikita naman nila ang resulta ng kanilang oversight supervision sa PNP. On where is the PNP now? Ano ang reputasyon ng PNP? Ano ang mga nangyayari? And so on and so forth. So it's all on their in their province. It's all under their care. So better
No
ask
hard
them kung ano ang sa akin, on my part. No hard feelings. Just that for me, ang organization ko, I still hope that the best will be for the best things happen to the organization, because that's the organization na nagbigay sa akin ng buhay for the past 34 years.